Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. This is the third example. The radius of a semicircular garden is 14 meters. What is its perimeter? The radius of a semicircular garden is 14 meters. What is its perimeter? So let's say we have a garden that has, this is just a sketch of a semicircle size. Remember, for us to get the distance around this, we take half of the circumference and then plus the diameter. Half of the circumference plus the diameter. All right, so let's take that. Our formula is, since we are using the radius, remember, you can check our first video. The perimeter will be pi r plus 2r. That means half of the circumference, which is pi r, plus the diameter, which is made up of 2 radii. All right, so we're given the radius as 14 meters and the pi as 22 over 7. So pi is 22 over 7. The radius is 14 meters. All right, then we add the diameter, which is made up of 2 radii. All right, 2 times the value of the radius. Okay, so here we know 7 goes in 7 once and in 14 twice. So we have 22 times 2 over 1, and 22 times 2 is 44. All right, plus 2 times 14. 2 times 14 is 28. 2 times 14 is 28. Then we add the two numbers together, 44 plus 28. 8 plus 4 is 12. And then we write to take the 1 to the next value. Then 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So our answer is 72. All right, our answer is 72, and that in meters. Always remember to indicate the correct units. Don't use centimeters when you're supposed to use meters. All right, so the radius of a semicircular garden is 40 meters. What is its perimeter? The perimeter of the garden is 72 meters. That means the distance around the garden is 72 meters. All right, thank you. Do well to like, share, and make your comments. Bye.